Play pick blog ke bapak yak video KANE channel. Lada pidang thamai KANE channel, like, share, but subscribe. I have been learning computer for 6 months. I have been learning computer for 6 months. Khasi ngalasha hikai computer la riu nai. It is 6 days since he has gone to Shillong. It is 6 days since he has gone to Shillong. Khasi la riu sngi mynta ulalecha Shillong. Don't make a noise while studying. Don't make a noise while studying. Khasi what ya jam katba dang kre kot. Don't talk while eating. Don't talk while eating. Khasi what ya kren katba dang bam. Don't call me while I am driving. Don't call me while I am driving. Khasi what khot yanga hakapor bangadang nya kali. He got tired by continuous walking. He got tired by continuous walking. Khasi ula thaj ban shuyaj lenter. Through continuous reading, his eyes started to itch. Through continuous reading, his eyes started to itch. Khasi wa ula pulih kot lenter ki khmat chong u kilas tang pang. He started shouting as soon as he heard the news. He started shouting as soon as he heard the news. Khasi ulas tang hala tang mar shuyoseo yaka Khubor. I shall reply as soon as I receive your letter. I shall reply as soon as I receive your letter. Khasi ngan sajubab tang mar shuyo yaka shti chongpi. She started crying as soon as she saw me. She started crying as soon as she saw me. Khasi kalas tang yam tang mar shuyo I yang. Baby slept without eating anything. The baby slept without eating anything. Khasi ikalung ilayotia klam bam ai. Don't say anything without thinking. Don't say anything without thinking. Khasi what ong ai klam daperkat. Don't go out without asking. Don't go out without asking. Khasi what le jabar klam dakali. He went off without saying anything. He went off without saying anything. Ula le no klam da ong ai.